In this video, I will show you how to make a text to video using the AI Lucas. So this is going to be a full step-by-step guide today to show you guys how to use the Lucas AI video creator. So with that being said, let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is actually come across to this website, which is idomoo.ai. So this is the official website for the Lucas AI video creator. Now from here, if you're not already, you're going to want to create an account. So from the home page, you can see the sign up free button here. So you just want to click onto this and sign up for an account. You can either do this using your Google account, or you can just go ahead and create a new account from scratch. So once you've gone ahead and signed up for an account and logged in, you'll be taken to a screen like this. Now, how Lucas works, it's basically similar to ChatGPT. What you do is you use prompts, and based on your prompts, it's going to generate a video. So what you can do is come down to the box at the bottom. You can see a few examples. So for example, it says like video ad and Halloween promo to tell you the kind of prompts that you can use in the box. So what we can do is use one of these examples. So for example, the video ad one, so you can see it's automatically added this to the text box. And if we go ahead and press the arrow key, it's just going to take a minute or two to run through and for Lucas to get to work. So as you can see, it's given us some suggestions. It says, great, I can help you with that. Here's an idea for your video ad, and it's given us some options. And if you're happy to use the options it's given to you, just go ahead and press the create video button. Now what you can also do is change the video format. You can see it's currently set to a square 1:1 format, but you can change this to portrait or landscape if you want to of course make this easier to see it on a mobile device. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave it at 1:1 for now and press the create video button. And as you can see, Lucas is going to get to work and start preparing our video. So it just takes about a minute or two to do this. And within a matter of minutes, it's going to give us 4 different videos. So we can go ahead and preview these by pressing the play button. So for example, this one here. And what you can do is press the play button. So we're just going to so I've chosen this one. I'm just going to press the play button to preview how this looks.
Introducing Dressed by Danielle, your go-to destination for chic outfits for every event. From casual brunches to glamorous parties, we have the perfect ensemble to make.
And as you can see, it's actually very, very good. So what you can do is some further editing on the video by pressing edit video underneath. And you can go ahead and change the language. You can change the narrator. If you didn't like the voice, you can use some of the different voices. It's also a ton of different music you can use too. And then you can go ahead and change the different scenes. So you can change out the media, the titles, and you can even upload your own narration if you wanted to, for example, use your own voice. So you can go through and use the enhance editor if you want to. Of course, any change you make, you just want to come up to the top and press the update video button up here. And that's going to go ahead and update the video. So it's not just for video ads, you can also use this to generate videos for anything you want. So for example, let's go for YouTube video. And then you would basically put it in this format with the code on. And after that, you would just then give a description of what you would like the video to be about. So for example, if I wanted to do one on facts about animals, I could put something like, can you create a video for 10 facts about tigers? And once that's done, what we can do is go ahead and press enter. And what it's going to do is again get to work, and it's going to figure out what it wants, and it's going to give me an idea. And of course we can edit this further if we want to, but if we're happy to go ahead, again, I'm just going to press the create video button. And again, it's just going to take a minute or two to go through and start making our video. So we're just going to give that a minute to go through. And as you can see, it's generated 4 different styles of video. So again, to preview any of these, you would just click onto any one of them. So I quite like the look of this one, so I'm going to click onto this one, and then we can go ahead and press the play button to see what this looks like.
Join us on an exciting journey as we explore 10 fascinating facts about tigers. Get ready to be amazed by these magnificent creatures. Tigers inhabit a variety of ecosystems, from dense forests to grasslands, in countries like India, Russia, and Indonesia. With their striking orange fur, dark stripes, and piercing eyes, tigers possess a majestic appearance.
So as you can see again, the videos are very high quality. It's a very good AI text to video generator. And what you can do again is further edit the video. Now, if you do want to buy any videos, it's $5. So if you wanted to go ahead and buy this video, of course you would click the button here, and you would just go ahead and pay for your video to be downloaded. This is going to remove all the watermarks that you can see in the video. So you would just go through to the checkout and basically check out and pay for the video. So that is how to go ahead and make text to videos using the AI Lucas. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.